Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So happy new year, this 2023. So in this video I will teach you guys on how to create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will simply add the sum of the two given numbers using a function in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. Basically guys, I'm using online GDB as my Python compiler and interpreter. It is free to use. What is important guys, you have the internet connection. So we have here a function that I create, dev adds num, and we have here a and b as our passing parameters. Sum equals a plus b, return sum. So in this line of code we have two variables, the num underscore 1 and num underscore 2. Basically we are using int typecasting because the input is string, so we have to convert, no? So int for integer and variable num underscore 1 and num underscore 2, and then I use another variable in line number 8. We will call it total underscore sum equals add underscore num, calling the function, and then we pass the two passing parameters. What are they? Num underscore 1 and num underscore 2. Print the sum of curly braces, and curly braces is curly braces, format underscore num underscore 1, num underscore 2, and total underscore sum. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this program for free in my two websites. Let us run the program here by clicking the run button. Enter first value, we have 8. Second value we have 56. The sum of 8 and 56 is 64. And the program run again for second time around. 7, 73 and 4. The sum of 73 and 4 is 77. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of two numbers using a function in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.